All right, well, let's see if this is even working. I'm just going to give it a whirl. What I wanted to show was this progression of building and testing an A2A feature where I have an A2A lead who built basically a variant of something that we had working, but now this is now a highly available bridge that can be run separately on Cloud Run. We then went to an agent that had been building and managing a hub on Cloud Run, and we asked it to deploy the A2A bridge and integrate it. So it deployed this to a separate Cloud Run, made sure it was connected. We then wanted to have it deploy a long-lived test engineer testing the A2A bridge using, my friend's just written up this new A2A CLI to use as a client. So we're going to create the test engineer. It immediately ran into a couple issues though. One is that the bridge was not reachable because we have sort of dual auth. We have the IAP auth and we have the essentially the native auth. So that needed to be fixed. So we need to, dispatch that back to the A2A agent who was working on the feature. While that's been going on, then I also realized that it was using just user-based auth for A2A, and we want agents to be able to use this as well across hubs. So really the best way to get federated identity between hubs is to support OIDC. So, I had this existing feature request on the backlog. So, okay, now's the time to do it. So we pulled that up into a thread and had the OIDC agent start building this. So they're building this. Meanwhile, the A2A agent noted that the requirements around the agent auth were something that it could work on. So let's see, here's down here. I said for the A2A bridge, we want to expedite feature support not only user JOTs, but agent JOTs. And then here, it started to work on this. And I said, don't go too far too fast. Hang on, we've got this working on another thread. And it says it's going to wait for the design on that OIDC design. And then here it says, somewhere it was acknowledged, yes, the A2A lead confirmed that this design meets their bridge side requirements. So they had already been contacting each other in the background and verified that the design work going on in this thread was going to work for that A2A agent. Then when this work is done, this agent will pick it back up. So once this feature is landed, then we can try actually finishing our end-to-end testing with the client.